Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Precious Day Vlogs. How are you all? I hope you're doing well and okay. So in today's video, we're going to make pav bhaji. And guess what? It's a Indian dish. It's very delicious. It's made out of all sorts of vegetables like carrots, onions, tomatoes, and bell peppers, and so on. So let's just start the video. So as you all can see, we have drained the vegetables. They're ready to get mashed. And here is onions and about 2.5 of green chili chopped. Just put in the onions, and here's tomatoes, some grated garlic, and a pinch of white pepper, I think. Well, if you want all the ingredients, don't forget to go in the description box below to check out the recipe. All the ingredients and the instructions will be in the description box. So after 2.5 minutes of sauteing the onion, as y'all can see, the aroma is like so, you just feel like your mouth getting watery. You're so hungry, because I was. I just love this dish. And here, as you can see, we've added some green peas. You just wash them before adding. Mix it very well, and after that we're going to add few spices such as turmeric powder, some chili root powder, red chili powder, and of course pav bhaji masala. You have to have this masala. It's the main ingredient, or you won't get that flavors. You can make it at home. It's made in homemade. Some people do that, but we rather buy it from stores. We're just gonna add that about 1 tablespoon something. Just mix it all up. Feel so hungry. Like, it was so delicious. Just love this dish. So I would recommend do try this amazing recipe out. Tell me in the comments, and if you like this video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Finally, if you're new to the channel, then subscribe. Okay. Next is half of red bell pepper. We're gonna add that. Just mix it all up, and then let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on low flame. Then add some water so then it can get cooked. So you can see it's getting cooked. Then salt as per your taste. After adding the salt, we're just going to mix it. Then after mixing, we're going to add the mashed vegetables over here. I'm just going to add it bit by bit and then mix it all up. So I know it's a bit hard to mix because so much amount of mixture is in the pot. So maybe try to take a larger pot. That might be best for you guys. So next we're going to add is lower pack butter. You can add any sort of butter, like spreadable butter, but it's best that you can either add ghee as well, clarified butter. But here we have added lower pack butter because we all love that kind of butter, so I'm just gonna add that. We're lovers of lower pack butter, guys. So the final touch is some freshly chopped coriander on the top, and just give it all a very last mix, and then your dish is ready to be served. And serve it with a slice of toast, and a lot of butter goes in this. Serve it with a slice of toast and some juice drink. The video is coming to an end. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Thank you so much for watching. Till then everyone, take care, stay safe, stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.